Before purchasing my first GPU, not for gaming, but specifically for local AI development, I had a lot of questions. I wasn't sure if the investment would pay off, or if tools like Ollama would recognize the hardware seamlessly. In this video, I'm taking you inside the Modicode lab to show you the GPU I chose and how it handles large-scale models. Before upgrading our infrastructure, we started with a standard CPU-based stack using Ollama and N8N. We experimented with small local models, 1B and 4B parameters, but the results were slow and lacked the intelligence required for complex financial logic. While cloud-based models provided the smart performance we needed, they introduced a significant business risk, unpredictable usage limits, and fluctuating costs. For a professional agency like Modicode, we couldn't rely on a free limit that might finish exactly when a client needs a report. This uncertainty led to a strategic decision. We needed to own our compute power. It was time to move everything to a dedicated GPU for 100% local, 100% predictable AI. So, I bought this. In the Windows Task Manager, I monitor my GPU. I check the current temperature. We can see how much VRAM it has. Finally, I monitor the actual memory usage. I've installed Ollama for Windows to run AI models locally. There's a wide variety of free models available in their library. For my current tasks, I'm using the gpt-oss 20B model. Now, let me show you one of my N8N workflows that uses a local Ollama model. We can monitor how the model loads into the GPU's VRAM in real time. In this setup, I'm using two AI agent nodes, both sharing the same model that's already in memory. Notice that once the model is loaded, the 3D utilization in Task Manager spikes. Even though it's labeled as, quote, 3D, it's actually the CUDA cores doing the heavy lifting for the AI calculations. After testing its performance with 20 billion parameter models and seeing how it handles complex N8N workflows, I knew this 16GB VRAM configuration was the sweet spot for local AI. Once I saw it work for me, I did the research to find the best deals and identical hardware configurations to recommend to you. If you want to replicate this exact setup for your own local AI workstation, I've provided an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Every purchase made through that link helps support the research we do here at the Modicode Lab, allowing us to keep testing and sharing these results with you.